glance about role play. What is role play? And then I'll tell you uh, the method and the technique how to tackle the topic and how to tackle this activity. So role play method, teaching speaking. So I think you all are able to see the slide. And now topic to be discussed. I'm going to tell what topic we'll be discussing in this today's session. The importance of role play. Firstly, we will talk about what is the important, what are the important about role play. The steps to apply role play method and advantage and disadvantage of role play. So these are the topics to be discussed, and I'll tell you how can what is the importance of role play. So role play are very important in the communicative approach because they give students an opportunity to practice communicating in different social contexts and in different social roles. So this is the importance of role play. Second, how can we involve ourselves playing role? Okay, so giving a role to one or more members of a group. So firstly, we need to assign an objective or an aim or purpose that participant must accomplish. Can be conducted with a single person in a pair or in group. So we can, but here we will practice this thing with a group, okay, or with a pair. Third, what are the advantages of playing role in English communication? So we know that it helps student to boost their confidence level. Second, like student get help to adopt to good moods and expression of given situation which they could then perform. Okay, so student will take the topic, they will speak on that, and they will express themselves on that topic. So this is the real way to expressing ourselves, our opinion on this topic while playing the role. The students gain a different experience related to their life and other social situations. So these are the advantages of playing role in this community. And there are some disadvantages of this activity too. Like this activity take time. Sometimes we feel that yes, the opponent always want to share. He wants to share and they want to share something about that. But we feel that yes, there are running shortage of time. So it takes time. It becomes difficult for teacher to evaluate the students individually. And the third, they were reluctant initially because they were not familiar with such activities. Sometimes we feel that we are not familiar about the topic, so we feel that yes, we are not able to tackle that. It might be seen as too entertaining and frivolous. Means sometimes we make it in entertaining way. So this should be not there. We should avoid this thing. And remaining, if you will exclude these things, then definitely you will find that there are many certain things to be done. So now I'm going to give a topic, and there are the list of the topic. Okay, I think. Okay, I haven't added any topic, but today I'll give topic. Okay, I haven't added any slide about topic. So these are the word meaning. No need to learn word meaning, but I want to give the topic. Okay. So firstly, I want to pick or choose Monica and Binu for the topic. The topic is very simple but very complicated to eradicate to handle that. Topic is Monica, you are the parents of a bride. Okay, you are mother parents of a bride person of and uh, I think Monica, I announced your name or Binu. Okay, Monica. And we know you are the mother parents of bridegroom. Means you are a male parent and you, Monica, you would be the female parent. you both want to engage the marriage and want to make your daughter to marry to daughter and to your son to marry to each other. How will you convince to each other? What qualities will you see in them? There is one problem. You know, you are the mother parents of bridegroom. So your son, your son, he loves a girl, and he told you, he revealed about that girl, but still you want to make this marry to Monica's sister. So how will you convince her? And Monica, what will you tell that? Will you share this thing that he loves, like your son loves that girl, so you should, and you will have this topic and convince to each other. Okay, now start the session. Go ahead. Start.
Okay, so we both are parents,
Yeah, we
bride
both.
and
You,
groom.
you both are mother parents. Yes. You are bride. You are groom's parent, and Monica, you are bride's parent.
Okay, so hi Monica. I have come
Hello,
here to
Will.
talk about, yes, yes. Hello, I'm good. How about you?
I'm also fine.
So yes, Monica, I have come here to talk about my son, that we have discussed already, that we wants to get them married. So what do you think? You know, there is a problem with my son. He wants to marry with another girl whom he likes. So what do you think? Should I? But I don't want to allow him. So what is your opinion? Should I allow him or not?
So, if he love to another girl, so you should allow him. If he will get married to my daughter. So, so there maybe he will not be happy with her, and and maybe she will also not be happy with him. So, you should think about it before.
Okay,
I
but
mean, you
you
should
know.
think about it.
Hmm. But Monica, we already have promised to each other that we will get them married with them, to your daughter and with my son. So that's why I asked to you.
But that is another thing, because we promised without asking from them. So it will not be good if we will get married. Maybe after married, they start to argue, or they will uh, uh, and after
Yes,
get married, my daughter will is there is no any guarantee that after marriage my daughter will be happy with your son. So I will now I'm not ready for this. So because of my daughter, because I wanted to see her happy. But if her husband will not love him, will not like him, and he just want to uh, he wanted to see another girl in his life, so how he can love to my daughter, and how he can make her happy. So I don't want it to destroy my daughter's life.
yes, Monica, you are right. But you know, the problem with him, that with whom he likes, uh, that girl, I don't know about much about her, but I don't think that she deserve her, and I need time to uh, understand her, because I don't think that, you know, she is different caste and we are from different castes, so there is many problems, and the level of living life, she has different, we have different, so there are many problems. So yes, I need to think. I'll think about it. Yes, you are right.
So you should so you can do one thing, that you please first give them time, and or you should talk to that girl to whom your son like, and you can talk to that girl's parents, that is they can so they convey her to get married. So So maybe after that after that your son forgot her, but so
No,
you
no,
should.
I'm thinking that, we are belonging from different religions, so she will be able to
Okay.
adjust with us or not. Problem is this.
So
Okay.
she has to adjust. She has to adjust. So if she is ready, so what's the wrong in it? If she is ready, because she has to come here. She has to come at your home. Not your boy. Your son has to go there. So if she is ready to accept all the things, so I don't think that you should mind.
Yes, Monica, you are right. And thank you for making me understand.
Thank you. It's my pleasure, dear.
Okay, thank you both of you, Monica and Vinu. I genuinely want to say, Monica, you acted like a educated parent. Okay, I think every parent should be think like this. So you earlier you
Because
told.
sir,
Hmm,
actually, I have two sister at my home. My sister's daughter, so we look after them. So
yeah.
if so, I also think about them that they should get a good bride. They should get good education in future. And I have two sisters. They get married. What we call, I mean,
Yeah,
they
they
are
are about
married.
to. Okay, okay, they
Oh,
are married. Hmm,
no, not about. They are married.
okay.
So as we heard about them, so of course I will think about it because I have experience of because I live in joint family. So
Okay, okay, that's nice. So whatever you shared with us, and you talked on that topic. You talked with like on the basis of experience. That's why your confidence. I saw your confidence level. The way you acted, the way you played this role with Binu, really I enjoyed. And Binu, your part was also intriguing because the way you speak, the way you spoke on that topic, it was really fascinating to listen to you. And I saw some understanding level. Like you were talking about that just you both feel that yes, you both are acting like a real parents of son and daughter. So I felt that thing. And really, I think everyone enjoyed this conversation. And now I just want to carry forward this session.
if,
And
sir,
here,
if you will give any topic related to family, so I will always participate well because
oh
I
my
have
God.
experience. So
Okay, I'll
that's
give
why.